Hi, good evening everyone. I am Labhyans. I'm going to talk about today talk yourself. Like whatever you do mistake, then think yourself like did I wrong or I did right? If I did wrong, then where I did wrong and how can I improve on that? And if you are uh, learning English and you are trying to speak some sentences, then speak yourself, because when you speak then nobody is listening to you, just you and yourself. That's it. You are making mistake over there, then that's fine. You can pause yourself, take a long breath, and then think that how can we make a correct sentence. So it is very important that talk yourself. I also used to do, and still I do, whenever I done any mistake, then I ask myself, did I wrong? Did I right? Like, so if you talk yourself, then you get to know that where I did mistake, where I need to improve myself. It is very important. That's why I am telling to you. And no one is judging to you when you talk yourself. Just calm, relax, then think on your mind what I have done wrong. Because it's matter a lot. That's why I'm telling to you, talk yourself. Or just if you are as we are learning English. So if you are learning English, then talk in English, think in English. If you make a mistake, then you have time over there, think in your mind, let how can we make these sentences in a correct way. If you are doing mistake anywhere, you have enough time to think yourself, then make a correct sentences. Because many sentences which we can't speak in a correct way in a one time, we think first, then we speak out to front of someone. So that's why I'm telling to you, think yourself. It is very important. Before speaking anything, I also think myself, then I speak. And it is important that what you are trying to speak front of someone, just think yourself. Because communication, or what you are speaking and what do you want to speak, maybe front of people they get hurt because of your word. So it is very important to think before speaking and talk yourself. It is important to grow in your life or also improve yourself. Yeah, it was my topic of today. I hope you like my video. If you like, then please subscribe here, do not forget it. Bye, see you in next vlog with another topic. Good night.